It's starting to get pliable. I'll show you. Boogered it up pretty good. Well, for now, let's get this 15 millimeter nut out of there. I think maybe heating it a little longer, maybe, or actually getting a heat gun. I may be able to heat this up and it might go back. I wanted you to see just heating it up with a hair dryer took that out of it. There's still a little tiny mark. We can see it. It's not perfect, but man, what a difference. Straighten it back up. All right, we got it popped in. I'm going to heat it again with the hair dryer, and it should pull that right back up around it. So after about a minute, that's our end result. Not bad. I mean, it's a little boogered up right around the edge, but sealed up pretty good. I'm happy with it.